What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my Porsche Cayenne, and I want to replace these headlight bulbs and upgrade them at the same time. So we're going to do kind of a two-in-one here. Now the headlight bulbs right here, kind of the main projector beams, aren't burned out, but I've noticed that they are kind of dim. And one of the reasons there is, especially when you have halogen bulbs, they just become less effective with time. And before they burn out on me, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. And I'm gonna upgrade them. We will see what that does. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the headlight assemblies here, replace the bulbs, and then we'll also see if the new bulbs are an improvement. Now the first thing that I wanna do here is, I'm in my garage, everything is blacked out. I'm gonna turn off the lights and turn on the headlights, and we're gonna take a Lux Meter reading just to see what these standard bulbs are putting out. So blacked out garage here, the only light that I've got is coming from these headlights. And as you can see, they're a little bit yellowed and kind of standard for these projector beams. Now I have my Lux Meter here. I did a review on this little bad boy. So if you wanna check this out, it's really cheap. But I just thought we would see, you can see the light here against my wood pile. I'm just gonna hold it right here in front of the bumper, and I'm going to hit the hold button to see what we're getting. Okay, so what I noticed is that it was bouncing around this 570 range, and that's what it grabbed there, 570, 580. And I'm hoping that the new light bulbs will be a little bit brighter. Actually, if they're not any brighter, that's okay, as long as they're not worse. But if they are brighter, I think that's going to make driving this car in the dark that much better. So let's get to it. Thanks to my money, pick up a set of these, and they are supposed to be the brightest bulbs that Sylvania makes, the SilverStar zXe. They actually have a couple, I think they have like 5 levels of SilverStar bulbs, but the zXe are HID attitude xenon fueled, which means they are not HID and they have no xenon in them. That's kind of what I think, but they are supposed to be the brightest, whitest halogen bulbs you can get. Now, I thought I would do a true unboxing here. Sylvania did not send me anything. I went over to my local auto parts store and bought these suckers. They do come in this kind of wicked cool plastic package, and I'm not even really sure how to get it open, so I may not bother you with that, because I might just have to break it. Looks like maybe these stickers hold it together, and get these out. I will say that these things aren't cheap. They are about $65, or at least that's what I paid for them to get this pair, but hopefully I won't ever have to replace them again. Okay, you kind of clamshell the two pieces away, and what I will tell you is that they look just like the existing bulbs in terms of shape, so I think that that is going to work as a direct replacement. You can see here that they have tinted the glass a little blue, a little bit like Heisenberg meth, and then the end cap there has like a little silver reflective coating as opposed to the standard matte coating. But otherwise they look just like regular H7 bulbs, which you can pick up for like 15 bucks. Let's go ahead and put these suckers in. The installation should be exactly the same as or the reverse of taking them out. Throw those suckers in now. All right, now that we've got everything installed, the moment of truth. Blacked out garage again, I've got these headlights on. I will say the eye test, it's taken me about a day to do it here. I would say maybe it looks a little brighter and whiter. You know, I can't tell against my wood pile there, but you know, I would say that it looks about the same. I guess I wouldn't look at it and be like, man, that's so different. But the real test will be here on the Lux Meter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and power this sucker on, and then we will hold it in just about the same place as much as I can here. And then, so if I hit the hold button, what maybe you'll see here is that it says 1,131 lux. Can that possibly be right? So maybe it is brighter. Hey, you know what? I'm not going to contest the data at all. You know, make a decision for yourself, but I think they look pretty good. I will put links to everything that you need, the headlight bulbs, in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!